Affiliate marketing can be an exciting journey, but many people lose motivation when results don't come instantly. Here are some must-know tips to get you on track. First, keep up with new trends and products. Check for updates in your affiliate programs. They often have new tools and visuals that can help drive clicks. Next, make sure all your traffic sources point back to the same page. It may sound obvious, but mixed links can confuse SEO and hurt your traffic flow. Here's a pro tip: recycle your best performing emails once a year. This way, new subscribers see your winning content. Even old subscribers may click again. If you're experienced, try for Tier 2 commissions. This means you earn a bonus when someone you recruit becomes an affiliate too. Be sure to check your partner's options for the highest potential. Don't overlook cost per action programs, where you get paid for actions like downloads or sign-ups, not just sales. It's often easier and can increase your overall revenue. Finally, remember to pre-sell offers on your site. A little extra explanation on why something is worth clicking can go a long way. With these strategies, stick with affiliate marketing and watch the results improve.